Hello. Now I'm going to read for you the second vowel sounds worksheet that we've used in class. This is the one that is about vowel sounds that sound like O and U. They're not always spelled with O and U, but they make O and U sounds. So please have that second vowel sounds chart in front of you while you listen to this video. Just like with the last chart, the one about vowel sounds plus R, with this one, I am also going to start at the top left with the word but and read down. I'm going to read all the words underneath but in column 1. Then I will move to column 2 and start with the word good and read all the words below it, and so on across the page. When I've finished that, I will go back up to the top and read the words across. I will start with but and read across to the right. I will read the first 6 rows. I'm going to do this pausing, stopping after each word so that you can pronounce it. Ready? Here we go. But, cut, bug, truck, under, woman, mother, Monday, trouble, country, because, sun, enough, of. That's column 1. Now back up to the top for column 2. Good, pull, push, full, book, look, cook, foot, put, should, would, sure. Now column 3, starting with rule, food, soon, fruit, you, new, grew, true, blue, group, lose, through, who, do, move. Now back up to the top. We're starting with use, human, united, refugee, music, huge, argue, cute, community, January. Now the next column, we start with out, house, hour, cloud, about, without, loud, sound, now, how, ow, down, shower. Next to last one, back up to the top, starting with box, got, not, top, job, lock, process, honest, bother, father, water, want, watch. Last column over on the right, we start with no, no, low, show, oh, go, dough, both, nose, home, whole, broke, vote, road. So that's all the words on the page. Now I will read the first 6 rows. So I'm going to read all the way down to the row that starts with woman. Here we go, reading across. Please repeat after me again. But, good, rule, use, out, box, no. Next row. Cut, pull, food, human, house, got, no. Next row. Bug, push, soon, united, hour, not, low. Next row. Truck, full, fruit, refugee, cloud, top, show. Next row. Under, book, you, music, about, job, oh. Last row. Woman, look, new, huge, without, lock, go.